Assalamu alaikum girls. Today I will share you a beginner friendly design. If your concept is good and your henna flows smoothly, then you can create very good designs. Even making a simple flower is tough for beginners. You don't just get it, it comes by practice. No perfect henna artist becomes like that overnight. Years of hard work are behind it. Then somewhere you become a perfect henna artist. This is a beginner friendly design I have created with you. If you like it, do try it. And if you know some basic elements of henna like spirals, hums, leaves, drops, then you can easily create a henna design. In this design, I first drew a flower, then I made three spirals, and after that, I added three drops, shaping the third drop into a leaf. On the bottom, I also drew a flower and added leaves on its sides. Then I drew two lines and added small dots on them, like, and on top I created small and large leaves. After that, on finger I drew six lines, filling in two of them. I will create hums and leaves. I hope you are enjoying this design. On the remaining fingers, I drew four lines, made hums above and below, and filled them in with dots on top of the hums. This design looks very really pretty. If you are a beginner, it's the best design for you, and minimal and aesthetic designs are quite popular. I hope you like the design. Inshallah, I will share more exciting designs with you all. Stay connected. This is the final look of design.